cooking, Appa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Last week, Appa made a braised beef brisket noodles, and my family love it so much. So I don't cook enough beef that time. I think I only cook like probably 500 grams. So today I decided to make more, but we are not making noodles, just the braised noodle itself, braised beef brisket itself. Slightly different steps compared to that one. Okay, now and seriously, it tastes so good. It's like almost coming out from the restaurant, and it is 0 MSG. So what we have here is about 800 grams of beef brisket blanch. I will show you in a second on how to very quickly blanch the meat. You don't skip this step because you don't want your broth to be very messy later. So beef brisket, 800 gram blanch, and cut into big chunks, then blanch. After that, let's look at the rest of the ingredient. I have 2 tomato cut into big chunks as well. This is half a carrot, half a radish, big chunks also, 2 pieces of red chili, give it a bit of spice. And this is a quarter of big onion. This is coriander roots. This is approximately 2 tablespoons of spicy broad bean paste. If you don't have this, you can use the spicy soya bean, fermented soya bean. This is about 1 teaspoon of 5 spice powder. This is approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Of course, even better if you can use tomato puree. Now we will need what we call herbs. You need some herbs here. So I'll put all this into a tea bag later. So this is 2 pieces of cinnamon stick. My cinnamon stick is quite small. If yours is very big, 1 is enough. And this is some broken pieces of my bay leaf. You can just use 1 big bay leaf here. And this is also broken pieces of my star anise. All my herbs has already broken up. About 2 pieces of star anise. This is about 1 teaspoon of this is fennel. Cumin seeds. This is about 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. This is 3 pieces of cloves. A bit of half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of white pepper. Just put all this into the tea bag. Then your broth will not be too messy. And when it comes to the seasoning part, you will need some Shaoxing wine, light soya sauce, black soya sauce, some salt and sugar.
Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Okay, blanching process is very simple. Just put the meat in cold water, then raise the heat until it is boiling. And let it boil for about 2-3 minutes. Then you will see all these scums releasing. So this will help to remove the gaminess from the meat and also make your meat dish a lot more clearer and less messy later. So now it is already boiling. What we need to do is just to take it out and wash it nicely. That's all. Okay, so I'm just using my pressure cooker to do it because this pressure cooker from La Gourmet can actually do open lid sauteing. So I've added a bit of oil here and started up the pressure cooker on the heating up it. Then I'm going to put in a little bit of oil inside, and this is some crushed garlic. Yeah, I put in 2 crushed garlic inside here, and there are a few things we want to saute. Number 1 is the spicy broad bean, or you can use any spicy soya bean, and then tomato sauce. Right, now we can actually put in the beef. Right, now we are putting in the tomato chunks. Smells really good. Alright, now we can actually add in some liquid. I'm going to start with Shaoxing wine. You can put easily a small bowl of Shaoxing wine inside, no problem. After that, I'm putting in the dried chili, carrot, and also the white radish. Sorry, the radish. Let me give it a few stir. Tomato and white radish, these two flavors really match the beef so well, seriously. No wonder you always see them together. Alright, let me clear the kitchen top while cooking. Now, this is the 5 spice powder. And I'm going to add in water. Just enough to cover the beef and all the ingredients. No need too much, right? Because today we are not making noodle soup. Alright, after that, I'm going to give it about 4 rounds of light soya sauce. At least 4 to 5 tablespoons. And this is for the color, dark soya sauce. This is not the sweetened type, yeah? This is the normal dark soya sauce, about 2 tablespoons at least. And then some salt, about 1 teaspoon at least to start with, and about 2 tablespoons of white sugar or rock sugar. At the end, right before serving, we can still adjust to taste using the light soya sauce, salt, and also sugar. Up to you later. Yeah, you can adjust later. Now we are just going to give it some base flavor. There's one more thing we haven't added, which is the lu bao, which is the braised herbs. I will be putting in into this tea bag so that it will not be very messy later. Okay, the herbs are inside this tea bag. So let me show you how it works. I'll just turn the head around. Then everything will be kept inside the tea bag, and it will bring out a nice fragrance for your broth, but it will never make your broth very messy. So this tea bag is go to online and buy it. Yeah. Okay, put it in, and then we are just going to close the lid. Let me add a little bit more water. Okay, I'm going to close the lid. Lock it. Turn the pressure valve to seal. Then I'm going to cancel the open lid cooking. This is actually the 6 liter La Gourmet pressure cooker from 6 liter cooking pressure cooker. Sorry. Let me see. I'm going to use tendon or stew. And yep, that's it. So it will now start to to build out the pressure. After that, it will cook for about 35 minutes. This 35 minutes is as good as 3 hours cooking using normal pot. So if you have a pressure cooker at home, seriously use it. It's going to save so much of your time and effort. If you want me to use normal cooker to cook a beef, I won't do it. But this is making my life so easy. Then after the 35 minutes, it will take some time, maybe somewhere plus minus about 15 minutes to release the pressure. Then it's done. Beautiful braised beef. Alright, it's actually faster today. I noticed whenever I use the open lid function, meaning the inner pot has already been heated up, it will actually cut down the building up pressure time. So much faster today. Okay, so once you saw the pressure valve, the red color button went down, meaning all the pressure has been released. So we can actually open it up. Oh, so fragrant. Let's see this. So this we have the braised beef, we have the braised carrot, yeah, and also we have the braised radish. Really good. So super fragrant. So now we just have to do give it some final seasoning. We're using light soya sauce, sugar, and salt, just to get to adjust to taste. Let me give it a try first. Okay, I'm going to give it a little bit more light soya sauce. Okay, and a little bit of salt. Done. Let me dish it out. Okay, so here's our braised beef. Let's garnish it with some spring onion on top. Done. I'm going to eat it with white rice today, and I have enough for tomorrow. Actually, anything braised tomorrow, the next day will actually taste even better. Right, so here's my very tender beef brisket braised stew with carrot and radish. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel and TikTok. Yeah, Appa is on TikTok now. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.